Evaluate the Ladakh crisis. Keep China at bay. Before going to analyze this article, we should analyze the what is the background of Ladakh crisis. See here is what is the Ladakh region? This is Ladakh region. This is LIC. LAC. LAC means line of actual control. Line of actual control. This is the line between India and China. So this is the Ladakh region. In this Ladakh region, we can see the ice caps, ice pockets, and glaciers, presence and sand. These are raw materials, means sand and fresh water is requirements or a raw material for microchip production. As we see, as we know, China is technological giant, giant in technological industry. So it is looking for raw materials which is present in Ladakh region. So this is the resourceful region, Ladakh region. We should not neglect it. So from 1 year, since 1 year, China and India both stand off in Ladakh region because China has acquired the northern bank of Ladakh region, which is actually was in the control of India. So, in this background, India can learn the three lessons, has learned three lessons from these Ladakh crises. What are three lessons? We can see first one is revamping strategies. So, act of denial, act of denial. So, second is political caste, political caste. So, third one is Indian Ocean region strategies. So, in these three spaces, in these three lessons, we can going to analyze this article. First one is act of denial. Act of denial. In this case, see we means Indian Army in August 29 and 30th, we acquired the Kailash range. Kailash range that means Rezangla and Rechinla region of South Bank acquired in Kailash range. This is the peak, means highest point highest point in Kailash range. These two, Rezongla and Rechinla, both are highest point in Ladakh region South Bank. So, this is the response, this is our response to China's acquisition and occupation of North Bank. So, this gave us the powerful stage, means powerful position to negotiate at negotiable table. Means we can clearly stand in a firm against China in negotiations. So, this is the act of denial. So, second lesson is political caste. See, in this political caste, we can limited the military conflicts. So we should not punish China through military way. It means attacking the way is not good for in this case. So political caste means we should reduce political talks, agreements, or meetings between chiefs of governments and states. So we should neglect or ignoring the talks or any summits in this country, bilateral relations. We should neglect China in this way. So this is a political caste. So one thing we should realize that China is spending more and more money in military compared to India. Means if China is spending 400 rupees and military, so India only spending 100 rupees. It means four times higher than the Indian spending. So if India is going to attacking us, then it is in good position to attack. So we should see at the political caste level. It means political caste. So we need to secure our resources. We should not attack militarily China. So it will cost us more than China because China has resources and more budget expenditure on China. So have advanced technology in within its hand. So we should politically engage in diplomacy, foreign diplomacy in this point of concern. And third one is Indian Ocean region. Means third lesson is Indian Ocean region. So in the background of Ladakh crisis, in future days, China can engage in Indian Ocean region. For this is concern with this is our concern because historically India is as dominating position in Indian Ocean region, and it also gives safety to neighbors like Maldives, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and other countries, Myanmar, like that countries. So we should have presence strongly in Indian Ocean region. For this purpose, we should going to engage in our structural changes in defense policies. With the help of Chief of Defense Staff, we should formulate sound policies to tackling China's position, China's upcoming dominance in Indian Ocean. So we should also bring foreign policy changes and also make more innovations in what is it, army defense and army equipments, and make more innovations and also make more productions under Make in India policy changes and programs, and also bring more incentives, means give more incentives to Indian based companies like Tata and Reliance, and like these our countries, our indigenous companies should get preference here to produce more and more defense equipments. In this way, it should contain China best possible way, and also these three stakeholders means political leaders and policy makers and implementers means bureaucracy, and also other stakeholders means Indian corporate companies and innovations research centers, labs. All these changes are these three stakeholders should be engaged in cooperatively and friendly, and bring more efficient policy and make implement of them. In this overall, we should see the India's position should be in possibly and strong. We should have that kind of foresight and the kind of thinking in that way to contain China effectively. So, in this article, matter of concern, new variants do not always merit changes in public health response but keep people alert. See, variant of concern. It means variants of concern means in this COVID second wave, we saw the more and more mutations of coronavirus, double mutations, triple mutations. So, England, UK's England, Public Health England, and United States CDC have classified the variant successfully and bring the treatments levels and producing the vaccines to that accordingly. So what we need to make this, we should also make India should also make classification of these corona variants, double or triple mutations. See, for example, in India, B1617 mutant is presented, and UK variant B1117, South African variant B1351, Brazil variant P2. Like these variants, we should also going to classify the variants to ensure the most possible and effective medicines to coronavirus attacking. See, in this in this article, not all crises are opportunities for reforms. In this article, we can see the 1991 crisis, which gave the opportunity for Indian economical changes, economical reforms, and it gives the 1991 crisis gave the more and more opportunities for Indian economy. See, in 1991, it is clearly distinguished from 2021 crisis because 1991 internal problem is endogenous policy fault, and it was need structural changes. So it was closed economy, no, export was at low, forex reserve was at low, a shortage of forex reserve. So that time 1991 we got the support of international community like IMF, World Bank support. But this time, so 19 means this time 2021 is different because this is external problem, means corona was originated in China, so it is external problem, it is not internal problem to get resolution. But in this case we can see the unpredictability of foreign policy, so uncertainty of earnings. So revenue generation is lower at point because production, Indian production, internal production and economic activities are low. So expectation of minus means expected 1.2% of GDP rate should can be going low. So these are the possibilities are there in future. We cannot make 2021 crisis as opportunity in coming days. So it's possibly we should equip in future some more advances or make some more preparations for by bringing policy changes in healthcare, and we should give more and more money to health related services, then by we can contain this this kind of situation in future. So thank you for watching.